Hi everyone, today I'm going to be going over my lab report of Lab 8. So the modality I chose to conduct the test with was with a treadmill. I chose to increase speed by about 1 mile per hour and grade by 1% each stage to ensure heart rate was increasing by about 3 to 5 beats. After having her warm up for 2 to 3 minutes, I gradually increased the speed to 3 miles per hour with a 14% grade. I then started the timer once her heart rate reached about 120 beats per minute. At around the minute and 30-second mark of the first stage, once she had reached a steady heart rate, I asked her to recite the alphabet. I then realized here that she was below her VT1 because she had no trouble speaking comfortably and was not gasping for air, as well as her reported RPE was also 2.5, proving she was not exerting herself very maximally. I then moved on to the second stage and I had her once again complete the talk test here at the minute and 30-second mark. Here I realized she had reached her first ventilatory threshold at a heart rate of 135 beats per minute. This threshold indicated her body was switching to a mix of aerobic and anaerobic energy systems, as well as using carbs for fuel rather than fats. I knew she had reached her VT1 because her breathing rate was starting to increase to compensate for the buildup of hydrogen ions in her muscles. Her ability to talk continuously also decreased, but not to the point where she was gasping for air or found it extremely difficult. I then proceeded to let her cool down for 3 to 5 minutes. Some sources of error with conducting this test is that the test does not take into account the effects of mechanical efficiency or fitness levels of individuals. As well, I completed the test inside the house, so the temperature could have altered my participant's heart rate. And lastly, she drank coffee prior to doing the experiment, which could have further increased her heart rate.